Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Michelle Tacteran, 48 years old, married with 4 kids, ages 26 years old, 22 years old, and the twins is 21 years old. And I came from Concepcion, Tarlac, Philippines. I'm a college undergraduate with a course of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have experience working abroad for 13 years and 9 months in Kuwait in one family. I served 6 members of the family, including 2 adults. Back then, the ages of the girls is 10 years old, the twins is 8 years old, and the youngest is 3 years old who has special needs. My main duties and responsibilities is to take care of the 10 years old and the 8 years old because both parents are working. I need to drop them school, give them food, assisting while they're taking a bath, doing laundry, ironing, and cleaning the house, including the girls' bedroom, and also assisting the other nanny for the special girl. It's a residential house with 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms, including the nanny's room. I hope you can choose me, ma'am, because I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, and I can work without supervision. Thank you.